everybody, Jack Boy here. Welcome back to the Buzz Brothers Outdoor Adventures. We are headed out for a kind of a stealth camp to take care of the February challenge, which is to camp by water. I am going down into an area in the Daniel Boone National Forest that is probably flooded. We've had massive flooding everywhere around here for the last 2 days, and there is a flood advisory out until day after tomorrow. So hopefully we're going to be able to get down in here. I just turned off the main road. I got about 9 hours or nine miles of gravel road that I'm going to be driving to get down in here. So let me get down in here and see if I can get back in where I want to go, and if I can, I'll see you when I get to camp. See you in a little bit. Alright guys, this is pretty much our last hope. We have been down 2 roads. They were both barricaded off. We're going to try this one. I just seen a four-wheel off-road vehicle come out of here, so hopefully they came all the way through, and we're going to go down through here and give it a shot. And if not, I guess we're going to go back to the house, or maybe try to find somewhere else to go camp. Apparently the water's still up good. It don't look like it's up too bad right there. That's what it's looking like there right now. So hopefully it's that's the other direction. So we're gonna go down here and go out through here. It's about 3 or 4 miles out this gravel road, I think, to where I was wanting to camp on this road. So we're gonna drive out through here, and we'll see you in a few. See you then. See, the water's up big time. This will be a good time to float it. It's perfect for taking the kayak down right now. Usually this creek don't have a whole lot of water in it. Impassable during high water. Flooded. I have entered this when it was flooded. It's no fun, but it looks good now. You can go right across it. It won't be a problem. I've come through here when it was up over the bumpers. Just not in this vehicle. Tell where the water is definitely up. Get up here in the road too. Yeah, there's a little bit of water running across it, but right back here is where we're going. So let me get turned around and get in our campsite, and I will be back with you. See you in a few. All right, let me get my chair out and get it set up, and I'll show you what we got going on. See you in just a few. All right, guys, let's see what we got going on here. Pretty much everything I got with me, with the exception of this. I got this at Walmart the other day. It's a Mountain House Adventure Meals biscuits and gravy meal. They're normally $9.95. They had them on clearance for $2.95. They only had 2 left. I should have bought them both, but I've never had any of these, so I figured I'd try one. So we'll find out in the morning. So everything I got is pretty much left over from Super Bowl at my house last Sunday. And this is the next weekend after the Super Bowl. I've got 2 Coronas left over, a Jack Daniel's Watermelon Punch, which I will be partaking in right now. Cheers. It's pretty good. I never had that before. One of my buddies loves them. He come over and watched Kentucky play basketball the other night and brought some. But that was left over from the Super Bowl. Got 2 Bud Light Limes, a Mike's Harder Pineapple Mandarin. If you've been watching my channel, you know I'm a big fan of these. And we got a double shot Fireball. So, which that and this have been in my refrigerator for a while, since my last camp. But the other stuff is left over. Got some water, some pops. For dinner, we got a can of Bush's brown sugar hickory baked beans and some hot dogs. So we're gonna have basically beanie weenies. I had these at the house. Somebody brought these for the Super Bowl and we never did open them, so I'm gonna open them tonight. And I got some more snacks and stuff in the truck, some chips and such. So I've got a sandwich that I made at the house in the truck. I'm gonna go get it, eat it, enjoy my cold snack, and set up camp. When I get camp set up, I'll get back with you. See you then. Cheers. All right, guys, we pretty much got camp set up, at least for now anyway. We may put some finishing touches on it, but it's a pretty quick process when you got the vehicle right there. And there's my cook station. Here's my new tent that I've used the last couple times I've camped. I really like it. Got a new cot that I'm going to be trying out. It's real comfortable. I've not camped with it yet, but I have laid on it. It's comfortable. Using the doormat for the first time. I always seem to forget to bring it. I actually remembered it this time. And this is going to be our fire pit, I guess. I'll clean that up before I start a fire. There's a bunch of glass and stuff in it. People in their trash, they make me sick. There's my chair and my sandwich. I'm going to eat here in a second. And this would be Jellicoe Creek. When I get done eating my sandwich, I'm going to grab my fishing pole and come down here and make a few casts. It's a little bit mushy down here, but you know, that's okay. But I'm gonna walk around this bank and do some casting, and never know. I've caught fish in here before. I've never caught any big fish, but I have caught fish in this little creek before. I've spent a lot of time down here over the last 30 years. I like this place very well. The camping is dispersed camping, and it is free. And it's this camping area here is part of the Kentucky Adventure Tour, or is the Overlanders, myself being one of them, calls it the KAT, and it's an awesome place. So I'm gonna go over here and finish my cold snack and eat my sandwich, and I'll see you in a few. See you then. Alright guys, let's grab one of these fishing poles. Let's go down here and see if we can interest the fish in a snack. Yep, gonna be some tough walking down here by the water where it's wet, but two ducks swimming over there. See them over there? You probably got to see them land. I didn't walk in front of you. Thanks for grabbing them and taking them away. Cheers. I believe we need another coach snack. So leave this here. Cheers. All right. Let's put treason back on and eat our dinner.
I mean, love stories as a fuck. I kept it simple. I know I'm fat and rustic.
Should have brought some bread. I had some buns. Cigar. Probably going to be all the fire we're going to have tonight. Wood is hard to come by. And I'm not feeling overly ambitious. Alright guys. Cheers. Alright guys, I want to give a couple shout outs. First of all, I want to give a shout out to the Stealth Camping Alliance. I missed out on the January challenge because I just could not find time to do it. I was loaded up 2 or 3 times and I just ended up not being able to get out every time I tried to get out. It just didn't happen. Almost didn't happen today. This trip was supposed to have started last night and been 2 nights, but we decided to have flooding and a blizzard yesterday. So I want to thank everybody for watching my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell. I've got almost 300. Last time I checked, I had like 288 subscribers, so hopefully I'll be able to get to 300 here pretty soon. And I've got a whole bunch of stuff coming up. I've got a John boat project I'm doing. My old 4-wheeling rig, I'm back to working on it, putting a transmission in it, getting ready to do some overlanding and 4-wheeling and off-road camping. That's fun. I used to do a lot of it, and I just kind of got away from it. So I'm going to do some camping down at the lake. Try to do the stealth camp challenges. So once again, shout out to the Stealth Camping Alliance, and I'm looking forward to watching everybody's videos. Good stuff. And now back to our regularly scheduled program, which is the Netflix original series, Freezing. I think I'm on episode 3. Yes, episode 3. Let's get us a shot of Fireball. What do you think? Alright guys, we're waiting, saving the best for last. One last cold snack, and We're gonna hit the bed. Cheers. Ah, and them things are good. Pineapple mandarin is definitely my favorite flavor of Mike's Harder's flavors. Episode 5, fire's burning down. When the fire's burned down and this is over, we're going to retire to the tent. But until then, cheers everybody. I needed this. It's been a tough week. Been a tough week. Found out a friend, longtime friend, passed away Monday. The next day, broke a tooth. Don't know what the hell that's going to cost. But we'll find out Monday morning. Cheers. Coming out like this is like wind therapy for riding motorcycles, which is something else I'm very familiar with. Alright guys, Netflix original series Treason. It's got it's one season, 5 episodes. It's good. I pretty much knew from the first episode it'd be good. It was good. I'm gonna get ready to hit the tent. And I'll see you when I'm in the tent. See you in a few. In case you ain't noticed, every camp I do is a work in progress. Because every camp I do or have done is a different camp. Yep. All right. For those of you that don't know what it pertains to get lined out in one of these 0-degree bags, well, there you go. And I have to say, once you do get lined out in one of them, they are the bomb. And this one here has never let me down. So, alright guys, I'm going to put me on another Netflix. It is, I can't remember what it is, but it's some murder mystery thing that I saved just for being in the tent in the dark and all that fun stuff. But I am going to call it a night, and I know I will fall asleep, so I hope everybody's had a good day. I've had an awesome day. I got to sit by the creek, drink some cold snacks, have a fire,
I needed it. I really needed it. I want to give a shout out to the Stealth Camping Alliance. I look forward to watching everybody's videos, and I will see you in the morning. Good night.
Morning, guys. Man, I slept like a rock. I always sleep good out in the woods. So, guess I'll get up and get me some water boiling for some hot chocolate and some oatmeal. Get a little fire going. I'm not gonna have much of a fire. I'm just gonna drink my hot chocolate, and eat me some oatmeal, and pack things up, load up. I might try to fish for a little bit before I leave. So, let me get out here and get some water going, and I'll see you in just a few. See you then. Get my little teapot out. Check it out. I forgot I got one of these. I've never had one before. We'll find out how that goes. I'm not sure what that noise is, but I know I don't like it. It's supposed to be 60 degrees today. That's cool. It's 31 right now. That's a pretty big lift. Good morning, everybody. And cheers. Well, I have to say, I was probably supposed to take that out. That's okay. Well, I have to say it's not the most appealing thing I've ever seen, but it does smell good. Alright, just for the heck of it, I'm going to try to do something I've never done before. That was easy enough. Sadly enough, I've never used the timer on my phone. I'm surprised it went that smooth. Well, the breakfast bell is ringing. All right. Mountain House Adventure Meals. Alright. Pretty good. Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give that a 5, maybe a 6. It was good. It was alright. For camp food, maybe a 7. But for biscuits and gravy, like I'm used to having biscuits and gravy, I don't think so. Alright guys, we got everything all packed up. Most of it's loaded in the truck. I'm going to sit here and drink me a zero sugar sun-kissed orange, smoke a cigar, and I'm going to go down there and make a few casts, and then we're going to get on the road. We'll see you when we get to the truck. See you then. Well, I don't know if the camera got that or not, but I hooked myself in the hat with the lure, so I'm going to take that as a sign that it's time to go to the house. Let me finish getting the stuff back in the truck, and I'll see you when I'm in the truck ready to leave. See you in a few. All right, guys, we are loaded up and ready to go. I want to thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's probably going to be a pretty boring video. I didn't really do much, didn't talk much. I just sat around the campfire getting some therapy, did a little fishing, knocked my hat off my head a little while ago, and it went in the water, so luckily it stayed hooked to my hook. Now it has a couple holes in it and it's wet and cold, but we're gonna get to the house. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, do me a favor. If you like the videos, like and subscribe. I got more coming. My next camp is I'm going to try to go back down to where I was the last camp I did. I couldn't get the kayak in the river because they had just poured new concrete on the boat ramp, but it's open now, so I'm going to go down there and try to do some kayaking on the river and some camping, and we'll see you the next time on the Buzz Brothers Outdoor Adventures. Everybody have an awesome day. See ya.